to wena lo kgona go tswela pele ka Otto cycle ya N6 power machine. Ye ke part B ya part A ya Otto cycle. Re tswela pele re solva the example re tla go dihlalosa ka speed. Kantle o senya nako re level example number 5. Yena ere a 6-cylinder 4-stroke Otto cycle petrol engine with a bore of 60 mm and a stroke of 90 mm has an indicated mean effective pressure of 900 kilopascal in each cylinder at a speed of 2800 revs per minute. The compression ratio is 7:1. The brake thermal efficiency of the engine but 28%, and the heat value of the fuel are now 42 megajoules per kg. Assume a mechanical efficiency are now 78%. Number one, calculate, determine the indicated power. Ratse wa re nyaga indicated power. If we aga IP equals to place over 60. Place are again, give me effective pressure, stroke length, area, see number of stroke, and number of cylinder, all divided by 60. Then I calculate our indicated power na elegana le PR na given effective pressure 900 or 900 multiplied by stroke length. Sarana ke nan sonje nan tiawa we show meet divided by 1000. It is how millimeter is 1000 divided by 1000 over 0.09. Area na radzoba ke pi t squared. Diameter na ke bo ever feel na 60 or 60 divided by 1000. Yarfa 0.06 squared. Area ke pi d squared over 4 multiplied by how many stroke do we have? Another 4. And that's what I got another 4 stroke. Speed sarna stivate to aga 2 again. Speed sarna relege 2800 divided by 2 multiplied by 60. 60 ga divided by 100 ga multiply ga namo. Got speed ke revs per minute. Then how many cylinders are na cylinder J? Na cylinder J6. ER 6. Then also open check calculating ya faukai ya warfa 32.1 kilowatts the indicated power na ye. So our indicated power na ile kanali 32.1 kilowatt. So our leveling number 2. Number 2, determine the brake power. Determine the brake power. Maranale mechanical efficiency. And that's all mechanical efficiency. Olaganale the brake power over indicated power. and the total calculator indicated power or our brake power na la kana le mechanical efficiency ke enya na ona e ka mkhwanya no mongwe so ba no modla ya go dimnyana ya ka masete ka ba go tellenyana so multiplied by indicated power and the mechanical efficiency are king ke 78% or 78 divided by 100 remote plug indicated by total calculator anjajo here filling the 2,1 then or 78 divided by 100 multiplied by 32,1 erfa 25 kilowatts. So sunyo lorna ba feeling or wanyaka the hour brake power na ilagana le 25 kilowatts. And oga hlokomela brake power ephelele nyane ho indicated power. Oga magala brake power e ba kholo tsore. Oga bodile mistake somewhere. So Angela was na level number 3. Number 3 is determine the petrol consumption in kilogram per hour. Determine the petrol consumption in kilogram per hour. So number 3. Then barafile brake thermal efficiency by like 28. Brake thermal efficiency arena and that's our brake thermal efficiency lagana le brake power output all over fuel power input multiplied by 100%. Brake thermal efficiency lagana le brake power output all over fuel power input ke re ngwala ka percent le yona and brake power over fuel power input re faga ke heat value of fuel multiplied by mass multiplied by 100%. So they were determine the petrol consumption in kilogram ranyagana mass. Then brake thermal efficiency between 80 or 28 equals to brake power na konjere lege like 25 kilowatts 25 all over heat failure number 42 megajoules or 42 multiplied by 10 to the power 3 in kilojoules and the multiply ka mass ar noronya ka multiply by mass so oranya ka mass wala kana le ore la multiply by 100% then go divide ka 100 boka singwa le ka percentage then masar ne over mass le kana le 42,000 42,000 man. Angry multiply with the divided by around 25 multiply by 100 divide by 42,000 multiply by 28. Marbel Benyaka in kilojoules per hour. Or multiply by 60. Then multiply by 60. Benyaka in kilojoules per hour. Then masarne over hour 77,653 kilojoules per hour. Masare. Determine the petrol consumption in kilogram per hour. 7,6 7,653 kg per hour. What a kilojoule, that's it. Then level number 4. Nozonyolwela na ufile ngokashimisha. Ene formula je dia tusha ro tsebe ka hloka hore o fitla ka ra test ba o fetjona. So go tsebo se vale nako no ona answer straight. So number 4 ere determine the air standard efficiency if gamma elegana le 1,4. Level number 4. So banyaga air standard efficiency, and the result air standard efficiency is elegana le 1 minus 1 over ratio to the power of gamma minus 1. Also na standard efficiency calculate wa jwang ya go video jarna mo code switching ja power the calculate problem jam khoto jidinchi. Then our 1 minus compressor ratio bar filiona pressure ratio by like 7 or 1 over 7 gamma na 1,4 minus 1 I'm gonna know calculate of far okay in percent angle multiply 100%. Real 554,1. Alpha 54,1%. So get standard efficiency 54,1%. The number of failure determine the relative effective on a brake power basis. Relative efficiency. Ranyagana le relative efficiency. Relative efficiency. Number 5. Elegantly brake thermal efficiency all over air standard efficiency multiply 100% relative efficiency. Then relay brake thermal efficiency are again brake thermal efficiency are filionamo like 28 air standard efficiency such a calculated like a full 55 51 54,1 relay 54,1 then multiply multiply 100, then relative efficiency are na lekana le 51.76%. Relative efficiency are na your level the problem. So our level example number 6 or na yana ewlela kange. Our level example number 6 don't ke wana gore lo tšo di kwešiše ke o ya di problems tše dintši ka gore ba rata go no fa mangwala mantši se ka bona idea mara go ntšo ya di problem tše dintši o kgona go bona gore go ba nyaka break power ke šomiša formula efe le gona ke filweng ge ba nyaka indicated power ke šomiša eng, then e ba simple mara go sa thoma ya o no buša re na go diagang. So our level number 6 is a 6-cylinder 4-stroke petrol engine was tested at 3,000 revs per minute. The following data was recorded. Duration of the test was 12 minutes. Duration. The notlo tlhokomela mola varying something per hour or per minute or certainly 12 minutes. Petrol used varying 55.4 kg. Heat value of the fuel. Heat value varafanaga 40 megajoules. Cylinder diameter 100 millimeter. Always the meter. Stroke length vareke 115 millimeter. Clearance volume vareke 13%. 13% of clearance volume equals 13% of stroke volume. Effective length of brake arm. Effective length of brake arm. Brake, not stroke length. Brake arm. Mass on brake. Or more when the brake power more. Indicated mean effective pressure. But the mean effective pressure nage 800 kilopascal. Assume gamma for air to be 1,4 and gravitational acceleration are never 10 meters per second square. Number one, calculate the brake output. Nabanyaga brake power. And that's what a brake power. Give mass of load minus as Marawa Safa John about filet torque the speed of Honoshumsha torque prone brake. Then our brake power and the canale 2 pi nt all over 60. Our substitute are 2 pi. Speed sawa leaking get 3,000 over 60. We want 3,000 then what debate and I'm going to 60. Multiply by torque. Now I don't know what floor not torque of guy. My rats were torque and the gonna lay mass times gravitational acceleration times length. And while mass king 11.5 multiplied by 10 brake length are now working 2.5 and 1 meter or to go 11.5 multiplied by 10 multiplied 2.5 to go 287.5 Newton meter. Newton gave mass times acceleration, gravitational acceleration meter. Newton gave meter length. Then our togar neleganali 2 87.5. Then brake power yarna ba 90,320 watts. Then when you go change watts to kilowatts, we divide that 1,000. Divide that 1,000, 10 to the power 3. Yarfa 90,32 kilowatts. Ke brake power na ye ke ngwala mo brake power ilekana le 90,32 kilowatt. Then number 2 yare nyaka calculate the indicated power output. Indicated power number 2, that's our indicated power ilekana le place, mean effective pressure, stroke length, area, number of stroke, number of cylinder, all divided by 60. Ne. Then substitute. Then the mean effective pressure na vele ke 800 kilopascal. Stroke length sarna ke 115 risha o meter. Risha stroke length to meter for 0,115 multiplied by area na razor ke pi d squared. Diameter na vele ke 100. Ara 100 divided by 1000. R for 0,1 squared all divided by 4. How many stroke renal 4? Then renal 4 at our speed standards divided by 2. Anger. And speed are na vele ke 3000 divided by 2 to multiply by 60 because it's per minute. Analysis in the J analysis in the J6. Then our puncher calculating indicated power for 108,4 kilowatts. Indicated power on 108,4 kilowatt. And always indicated power ipelefit a brake power. If I fit the zonal mistake mode on. So in our continuation here, chapter 2 internal combustion, got indicated power brake power calculator more. Then our level number 3. Number 3 is calculate the thermal or overall efficiency. Calculate the thermal or overall efficiency. Then our brake thermal efficiency, another brake power output all over fuel power input, fuel power input. So brake power na recalculate lang. Brake power na refill 90,32 divided by fuel power. That is our fuel power eleganally. Fuel power eleganally heat value multiplied by by mass. And a masarnaki the duration of the test by like 12 minutes. Petrol used K5, masarnaki 5,4 kg. There kg per second. Now multiply 12 minutes away dealing, multiply 60 seconds. Then not for kg per second. But if never start for 12 minutes, they don't do it 60 fail. Then all our the thermal efficiency are again. You have a fuel power, heat value are 40, multiply by 10 to the power 3, or if you naga megajoule, all into 5,4 divided by 12 multiplied by 60. Then come kana rena so the multiply 100% key efficiency. Then we multiply 100%. Erfa 30,1%. Then now the thermal overall efficiency are 80,1%. So I'll leave number 4. Number 4, calculate the air standard efficiency. Air standard efficiency. For the video, I'm going to explain how to speed. There's also low code switching. Number 4, air standard efficiency. And the result air standard efficiency are so like only 1 minus 1 over ratio power to 1 gamma minus 1. So, but I don't compression ratio. Anger. Sin compression ratio. Result compression ratio like only V1 over V2. And V1 like only swept volume plus clearance volume. And V2 like only clearance volume. Then I will swept volume again. Swept volume are well more data number filling you another one. While clearance volume elegantly 13% of stroke volume. Then our stroke volume are SV plus 13% key divided by 100 0,13 SV and V2 are legally 0 clearance volume 0,13 SV or our V1 are legally SV plus 0,13 SV divided by V2 are legally 0,13 SV. Another 1,13 SV divided by 0,13 SV. SV dia cancelana. Ratio are never ever 8,7 is to 1. then re kry-ile compression ratio ba re file gamma ra re ya gore 8,7 is to 1 re ke ra be or ya gore 1 minus into 1 over 8,7 ka marna beile ke 1,4 minus 1 then your fa 0,579 to multiply ka 100% erfe 57,9%. Then so you know lot now feeling shotaka but feel camera shotaka compression ratio then from compression ratio hono create standard efficiency like 57,9%. Then yama felelo recalculate the effective ratio. Calculate the effective ratio based on the brake power. The effective ratio just means relative efficiency. And Gagarabuleji from example Amafelel or relative efficiency. Kitlega R efficiency. Eleganally brake thermal efficiency over a standard efficiency. And the brake thermal efficiency are really overall efficiency. 30,1 over a standard efficiency 57,9 multiplied by 100%. Alpha 52%. I feel 52% again. So como gore ke re leng ka ona a re lebelle example la mafelelo jwana ka go boletse gore go kwishisha sonjer de example je dintsi a tsweleng pele ya mafelelo ere a 3-cylinder 2-stroke petrol engine working on a constant volume Otto cycle has a swapped volume of 333 meter cube per cylinder and a compression ratio of 7,5:1. This result we obtained from a 30-minute test on the engine at the speed of 4,500 drives per minute. Indicated mean effective pressure 388 kilopascal. Total fuel used during test. Total fuel used like 3,75 kilojoules. Varfa torque warna at the torque of 4,500 drives per minute. Torque. So, vandra brake torque iktimaga speed sa 450 togarnage 54 newtons per meter. Newton meter. Heat wheeler na barfa naka 42 megajoules per kg. Number 1, we calculate the air standard efficiency when gamma is 1,4. Number 1, and we fill everything. That's our air standard efficiency. So we 1 minus 1 over ratio gamma minus 1. 1 minus ratio na leaking. 1 is to 7,5. Gamma na leaking 1,4 minus 1. Alpha 0,554 multiplied by 100%. Efficiency in percentage. Equal percent. Then 55,4%. A standard efficiency. Joule better level number 2. Normally 55,4% more. Katlaranya ka wishumishin in future. Number 2, recalculate the indicated power. And there are number 2, indicated power. Refuaga place over 60. And there are place are making mean effective pressure, stroke length, angle, area, number of stroke, number of cylinder, all divided by 60. Angle. Or what check or na of filling over a. If me both the brake power or mechanical efficiency, indicated power. So, I substitute Locharen. I substitute Ravali. PR number Filanaga 388 kilopascal. L stroke length over area R9. Malaria tseba hore soft volume elegana le area times length. Angle. And what feel or na soft volume arna ke 333 meter cube. So Sanjari show meter square or multiply by 3 over 10 to the power 6 multiply by stroke jigai nali 2 stroke really 2 stroke or ningwala ka mkhweleng ka ona rengwala speed sarna ka mkhoseleng ka ona and speed sarna beleke 4,500 over 60 rengwala mofas matfala berne sinda jigai ne sinda chitare. Then indicated power ya alpha 29,1 kilowatt. So trig mobile or polar soft volume elegantly area times length. Got the area times length as about 5 on. Then indicated power go convert centimeter cube to meter squared ska level divided by 10 to the power 6. Then indicated power negative 29.1 kilowatt. Number 3, calculate the brake power. Brake power of fuel the toggle the one. That's our number 3. Brake power also fuel ya robu fuel ya proni. Ilagana 2 pi nt over 60. And like is speed angle. Or 2 pi speed sarnagi 4,500 over 60. Tokar na barfana wile 54 Newton meter. Then RFA or a punchable calculator for 25,400 watts. Roisha watts to kilo watts divided by 10 to the power 3. RFA 25.4 kilowatts. And always indicated passenger epilefita brake power. RFA 25.4 kilowatts. Then number 3, calculate the mechanical efficiency. Rather mechanical efficiency give brake power over indicated power. Logic there boile general or usan judy the problem jidin chor khono kushisha or formula jidin nemuhlo. Number 4, mechanical efficiency. I'm gonna over brake power or brake power gain over indicated power multiply 100%. Look at the brake power no way again 25.4 over indicated power gain 29.1 multiply 100%. And indicated power are never 87.2%. Indicated power gain 87.2%. So lo chogon judi dia do la mo lo umnahano man. So our level number 5. Number 5 here, calculate the indicated thermal efficiency. Indicated thermal efficiency. Number 5. And there are indicated thermal efficiency. KIT. Rafaka solar efficiency. Ever indicated power output. All divided by fuel power input. Fuel power input is like FP input. And also Nalila Yamatomo Razor fuel power or fuel naga heat value multiplied by mass. And massarna bar fuel naga bukai. Massarna by like 3.75. Eden 3.75 ronyaga per second tanker. And value there are 30 minutes. 30 minutes times 60. Yeah, but so then indicated power ne bile bukai. Get power bile 29.1 all over fuel input. Heat value naga bukai. Heat value national fuel number 42 megajoules or 42 and multiply 10 to the power 3 kilojoules and multiply 3.75 or divided by 10 times 30 times 60. One get away already of a fraction it telele, so over safe go fa ka kana ga yona multiply 100%. Then the indicated thermal efficiency are near for okay. Alpha 3.2% indicated thermal efficiency. I don't want to move at 33.2%. So number 6 here, calculate the heat energy available. Heat energy available. Heat energy available refanaga. Ke heat value multiplied by mass. Ke heat area multiplied by mo. Then number 6. Wanyaga Q evarenki heat energy available anger. Refanaga mass multiplied by heat value. Then per minute, one value per minute, and the other mass are now operating for 30 minutes. At 3.75 divided by 30 multiply by heat value. Heat value are not really 42 megajoules. Megajoules are multiplied by 10 to the power 3. Then heat energy available are neither 5250 kilojoules per minute. If you have per second, you multiply by 60 masowaren. Then ever 5250 kilojoules per minute. Then our calculator, MFLR calculator, the heat loss to friction. MFLR the heat loss to friction. Rather heat loss to friction. If we got indicated power minus brake power. And indicated power get 29.1 minus brake power enabling. We get 25.4. Then alpha 3.7 kilowatts. Anger. Mobile benyaga in kilojoules per minute. Benyaga in kilojoules per minute. Benyaga in kilojoules per minute. Radzibawari 3.7 kilowatt leganaling ki joules per second. Then benyaga per minute anger. Arson jerere 3.7 multiplied by 60. It's out of 222 kilojoules per minute. Yeah, ke lesson na ya lekgono ma code switching. I try to explain ka speed bunka khona gona. So ke a leboga for o lebelela video e. For the video tse dingwe tse di ruta mmetse ya code switching. Yeah, ke a leboga.